bridge pyrotechnics. So it is a requirement that we should have 12 rocket parachutes on the bridge. So I have made this container for rocket parachute. On other ships you will find like 2 boxes kept on the bridge wing outside of your accommodation, because they are having fire hazards also. So most of the time nowadays most of the time we will find it out on the outside of our accommodation, near on the bridge wing, you can say. 6 will be on the port side, 6 will be on the starboard side, but here I have inside only. So I have prepared this box for the rocket parachutes. It's a perfect size. So first we have to count how much we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and this is 12. So 12 numbers of rocket parachute should be there on the bridge. So in that, the most important thing we have to check for the expiry date. So here it is given, manufacture or expiry date 20 May 2023, means all are valid. So I have ordered this at same time, so all are valid only. This is the first thing we have to check. Second thing, these markings, the marking should be there. The operating procedure has to be in place, should not faded, so that you can read it easily.
So here I would like to emphasize on 2 points, that all the pyrotechnics, they shall be stored or kept in a watertight compartment. This is very important. So even if you go in your lifeboat, there you would see that your 246, which are rocket parachute, hand flare and smoke signals, those are not kept outside. Either they are kept in a watertight compartment or they are kept in some watertight box. Same on bridge also, you have to keep this rocket parachute, hand flares inside a watertight compartment. That's why we are keeping in this. And secondly, the launching instructions or the operating instruction, as we say, those must be clearly visible. So that is very important, that when you are doing your inspection, make sure these launching instructions or operating instructions are properly or clearly visible. They are not faded away, because you will get remark or you will get observation if any inspector finds that these operating procedures or instructions are not clearly visible.
This is the second thing. And one more thing, the container in which you are storing this one should be dry. There should not be any water ingress inside. So we have to make sure that one. So water ingress, this problem will comes when your rocket parachutes are on the bridge wing. So that time you have to make sure that it is dry, there is no water inside. Because once it gets, it catches the moisture, then it won't work. And you will get remark also for the same. So make sure that. And the second thing on the bridge we have to check is that our LTA. So I have 4 numbers of LTA on bridge. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will show you one. In this also, first you have to make sure your expiry date and all the markings, operating procedures are not there or not. It should not be faded. And the container should be in the good condition, not like it is damaged in loading or something. And in LTA, your expiry date is, you have to check the expiry date of your rocket, not the container. So there are 2 expiry dates. Like this container is expiring in 2025 as per this. So it is expiring in 2025, but if you see the rocket parachute, it is expiring in February 2023. So this is expiring earlier than my container. So when you order for this one, you should order basis on this expiry date. And if you order for the rocket, most of the time they will provide full set, not only the
Rocket.
So in this case, you have to make sure that your line is all the time connected to your rope. See, this is the connection. I don't want to open this one. It is connected inside the rope. And the second thing, in this type, you have to make sure that your connection is all the time ready to use, like this. Sometimes what happens, the server asks, okay, show me the LTA, and your rocket is lying like this, so it is not ready for use. If you pull out the pin, it won't work because the proper connection is not there. So make sure that your connections are always in ready condition. That's it. Only these things we have to check.
Make sure you have marking on where you are keeping this. Make sure it has a marking of 4 LTA, 12 rocket parachute. It is marked. And if you have life jacket, so number is also important. With this, you must have this numbering, like how many LTA, how many rocket parachute. So this numbering is also important.